Hello and welcome to PTG on the mic. Welcome to Sungura lessons. Okay, so first let me play the rhythm and then I'll show you how I play it. So let's roll. Okay, so let me show you how I play this one. So first, you come on here on C. So we are in the key of F. This is F major. So we start here. So on string number 2, fret 10. That's where you end when you pull. Then fret 10 here. Then you go on string number 1. Fret number 8. So it's fret 10, string number 2. Then fret number 8 on string number 1. That's your first part. Then here you play string number 2 and by the way, this is an octave. It's okay, so it goes like this. So when you hold this one here, you just play string 2, string 3, string 4, it's a flat, and then you play string 5. So let's start again. Then you go back again. So the same shapes that you used here, same ones here. So if you notice, my one is the same here. So it's you have to pull for a rhythm to sound nice. So let me just play it using those pulls. Okay, thank you.